With just 26 luxury homes, this exclusive neighborhood overlooks the Ludo Valley and the Ria Formosa Nature Reserve, offering rare tranquility only 5 minutes from the Quinta de Lago's world-class amenities. Last year, we sold 3 properties in this area, and now we're introducing this exclusive new listing. Hello, I'm Sandra from Mapro Knight Frank. Join me in a tour of this exceptional home. Arriving here is impressive. A double-height entrance hall illuminated by an overhead skylight, immediately filling the home with natural light. Open-plan living spaces merge indoor and outdoor living through expansive sliding doors, opening onto covered terraces made for the Algarve way of life. A sleek main kitchen is complemented by a hidden chef's kitchen, discreetly concealed behind bespoke cabinetry, ideal for entertaining while keeping the main space beautifully refined. Three ensuite bedrooms are located on the ground floor. One currently used as a study, which shows flexibility for guests, family living, or working from home. Upstairs, the entire floor has been transformed into an exquisite principal suite, complete with dual bathrooms, walk-in wardrobes, and a private terrace overlooking the San Lorenzo Golf Course. The lower level is mostly dedicated to lifestyle. Includes entertainment lounges, a bar, wine wall, cinema room, a private spa with sauna, steam room, and treatment room. The lower level is also functional with a guest bathroom suite, plenty of storage, a double garage, and a large utility room. Outside, landscaped gardens surround a substantial pool and a covered barbecue terrace with a louvered roof system for complete flexibility. One of my preferred spots for sunset champagne overlooking golf, nature, and the sea. For more information on this property, check reference 2704 or contact me to arrange a visit. Be sure to follow us for more curated homes.